Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can unblock any account in your Facebook Messenger. So first let's open our Facebook Messenger by clicking on this message icon at the top right corner of our screen. Then once you have entered the Facebook Messenger, what we can do is simply click on this settings gear option present at the top corner. Simply click on this option and it will give you a variety of options. From here, choose the privacy menu. Inside the privacy menu, you can see this blocked accounts option right here. Simply click here and it will lead you to all of the accounts or all of those chats that you have previously blocked. Now to unblock any chat, simply click on this unblock button right here. Once you have clicked here, it will ask you for a confirmation to unblock that particular account. So once you have selected the unblock option, you can see that they have been removed from this blocked list and you can message them again, or you may also receive messages from them as usual. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.